Okay, guys, I got up this morning and I weighed 160 pounds. That means I have gained 6 pounds. So today I am just going to make me a smoothie. And it's just going to be something quick and easy with dark cherries, frozen mango, frozen pineapple chunks, and frozen peaches and banana. All right, guys, let's get to it. Well, I'm not going to do any measuring. I'm just going to take some peaches, put that in there, and I'm just going to take a handful of each one. Guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I usually will put my protein in here as well, but my husband is going to have a shake with me, so I'm not going to add my vegan protein powder. Also, I'm going to add this Baya antioxidant drink. It comes in a lot of different flavors, so I am just going to add that in for just a touch of flavor. And I'm not going to use the whole thing. I add it as, the blender start getting stiff, and I slowly add it. But I'm going to let this fruit sit for a minute so it won't be so hard for my blender to chop it up since the fruit is frozen. So we're going to start blending in a minute. But before we start blending, I'm going to get one of these bananas, and I am going to put a banana in there. Now, guys, if you wrap the top of your banana with plastic, it will preserve them longer. We like to buy ours green so they'll have a longer life. And if you just put the plastic around the top of it, it'll make your bananas last longer. That's a little trick for you. I'm doing this with one hand. That's why I didn't, chop it up outside the thing. I want to go buy me a popsicle molder so I can just make a whole bunch of these like smoothies and put them in the popsicle mold, and then I'll be able to eat my popsicles at the same time having a meal. So we're going to see what this is going to do. Going to punch smoothie. The fruit is frozen. That's why it's giving it such a hard time. So I'm going to let the fruit thaw out a little bit more. That's why it's giving my blender such a hard time. So that is my breakfast, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.